Now you've launched your website and it has everything a good website should have. It's responsive, loads pages very fast, easy navigation, and a great layout design. Everything is working fine and appears to be perfect. However, as time passes, you find out that there's still a problem, which is your website traffic is stagnant. People don't visit it. But this is the real issue. Every day, thousands of sites are being launched on the internet with content that is similar to that of your website. So, when a user makes a search on search engines like Google, it's easy for your website not to come out on the first page of search results because your website's SEO is poor. According to statistics, Google is responsible for 94% of total organic traffic. 90.88% of pages don't get any traffic from Google due to poor SEO. 75% of internet users never scroll past the first page of search engines. The fact is, Google controls a large chunk of online traffic, and when your website is not properly optimized for Google searches, then it's a big problem ranking on the first page. So what do? Let's face the truth. Ranking top on Google search results is as difficult as climbing Mount Everest. Due to regular algorithm updates and changes from Google, as well as keyword trends, it's difficult understanding what works in SEO. The exact strategies that worked 2 months ago will be outdated now, so eventually you come back to the same problem. Another option will be paying to stay on top of Google's pages, and that's if you have the money. I mean a lot of it. Google is the biggest earner of online ads, and staying on top of their page will require you to bid. That means you'll be bidding against top companies making huge revenues with a lot of cash to spare for ads. Unless you have a huge amount of money to spare, bidding for Google's top page might not be a good option. But what if you could get your website to land on Google's first page for as long as you want without paying a dime to Google and get a consistent flow of traffic to your website? Now that's where we come in. As one of the best SEO agencies you can find around, we specialize in helping businesses like yours to rank top on Google. How do we do it? Well, we understand that content plays a major role in website ranking. So we will help you develop your website content and put in the trending and relevant keywords that are being searched by your target audience. We're aware of Google's constant algorithm change, and we study it carefully. We will update your website with the latest algorithm trends so that your ranking doesn't get affected whenever there's an update from Google. And of course, the links. We generate the traffic from other sites, which tells the search engines that your website is popular and reliable. While doing that, we are also careful to monitor the websites from which we are bringing in visitors so it doesn't affect your site's ranking. Keep in mind that we don't just drive traffic to your site. We actually drive quality traffic that can easily be converted to buying customers. Now there's a possibility for your business to rank on top of Google's page and gain a constant flow of quality traffic. Take action now and contact us. Don't waste any more time.